Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial, where we will explain how to transfer money from Dasher Direct to Cash App. So let's get started. To transfer money from your Dasher Direct account to Cash App, the first thing you need to do is access your bank details within the Dasher Direct app. Open the app on your phone and look towards the bottom right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the navigation icon. Tap on it, and in the menu that appears, select the Move Money option. On the next screen, tap on See Bank Details. This will show you important banking information like your routing number and account number, which you'll need in order to link Dasher Direct to Cash App. Once you have your bank details, open up the Cash App. On the home screen, tap the icon located on the lower left. This takes you to your account section, known as the My Cash page. Here, scroll until you see the option to add or manage bank accounts. Tap on that and choose the option to manually link a bank. You'll now be prompted to enter the routing and account number from your Dasher Direct account. Carefully fill in the information exactly as it appears in your Dasher Direct app. After linking your Dasher Direct account successfully, you'll be able to use it within Cash App just like any other bank account. You can transfer money from Dasher Direct to Cash App by using the Add Cash feature or move funds out by selecting Cash Out, depending on what you need. And that's it. Once the accounts are connected, transferring funds becomes quick and simple. And that's it. You are done.